let's see how to buy iPad 9th generation with student discount. In the first step, tap on Apple's Student Store. Next, log in with your academic account, then validate your access to student offers. In the next step, look for iPad 9th generation. After that, pick the storage and color you like. Now add to bag with discounted price. In the next step, go through price and discount breakdown. Next, confirm shipping and arrival options. Then see if extras like AppleCare are needed. In the next step, move to the checkout section. Next, select how you want to pay and fill details. Then enter extra promo codes if you have any. In the next step, review everything before buying. Now, finish the purchase process. After that, check your email for confirmation message. You are good to go.